Hi Shika, good evening. My name is Arnold Isafilanas. Currently a first year BTL education students in State University of Northern Negros as a part of our requirements in the propulsive communications. I need to reach out to someone who speak different language and I do and ask him or her to translate 25 Hiligaynon phrases into her own language video call. Can you help me, please?
Yes, Eva.
Thank you. Uh, this is a language of Hiligaynon and Mid and Philippines. Kumusta ka? And translated me to English, who are you?
أنا زين الحمد لله.
I'm good. Thank you po. Number 2. Salamat, Gid. Thank you very much.
عفوا.
Number 3. Gusto ko ini. I like this.
أنا أحب هذا.
Mm, Number 4. Ano ngalan mo? What your name?
My name أنا اسمي شيفا. وشو أنتي اسمك؟
Number 5. Wala ko kabalo. I don't know.
أنا ما أعرف.
Number 6. Sige lang, it's okay.
عادي.
Number 7 daw hindi ko gusto. I don't like it.
أنا ما أحب هذا.
Um, Number 8, maayo gid. Very good.
What?
Number 8, language of the Filipino, maayo gid. Very good.
مية. مية. كويس.
Number 9, diin ka na. Where are you now?
أنت من وين؟
Number 10, ano balita? What is news?
وش فيك؟
Hmm.
كبار.
Number 11, base may ara ka idea. Maybe you have an idea?
repeat.
Uh, Maybe you have an idea?
ممكن انت في شيء تذكره.
Number 12, wala problema, no problems.
ما في مشكلة.
Ano ang ginapanumdo mo? What are you thinking?
وشو فكري؟
Hmm, Pilay mo How old are you?
كم؟
Lakat na ta, let's go.
يلا روح.
Hindi ko nagdugay. I want take long.
أنا ما أتأخر.
Number 17. Tani ari ka di. I wish you were here.
الشعر انت فيه موجود.
Gapamangkot lang ko. I'm just asking.
أنا بس كلمت شوي.
Daw kapoy ko, I feel tired.
أنا تعبان، أنا مريض.
Number 20, ganahan ka maglaag? Do you want to hang out?
تبي نروح برا الأب شوي في السوق روشي.
Wala ko nahimo. I can't do anything about it.
أنا ما أدري إيش أسوي.
Number 20,
خافي.
number 22. Palihog ko, please.
بليز تكفين.
Number 23, hindi na magpalibog. I don't worry.
What?
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Uh,
معلش ما في مشكلة.
paghulat lang, just wait. Just wait.
انت شوي استنى.
Number 25, lain gid ang pamatyag ko. I feel bad. I feel sick.
أنا طبعا ممكن أنا مريض طبعا.
Okay na.